Why is cutting onions basically the same as watching the end of your favorite sad movie? Instant tears, no Oscar, just pain. Problem. Like you're just trying to make dinner, and suddenly you're sobbing harder than when your Wi-Fi disconnects during Netflix. Onions are the real emotional manipulators. Solution. But here's the hack. Chill your onions in the fridge for 10-15 minutes before cutting them. Cold slows down that evil gas that attacks your eyes. Boom. Less crying, more chopping. Bonus tip. And if you really want to look like a kitchen superhero, cut them under running water or near a fan. Trust me, it's way better than rocking ski goggles in your kitchen, unless you're into that look. So next time you cut onions, you'll cry from laughter, not from fumes. Now go flex those tear-free onion skills. Your eyes will thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun tips.